CAT students, we're starting on Monday because we have several things to do this week.
First of all, remember that tomorrow we will have flag salute, so don't forget to come with your flag salute uniform.
On Wednesday, we will have a morning meeting scheduled to celebrate Unity Day.
This Friday, we will also begin our CATMUN 2019 simulation. So if you're participating as a delegate, we wish you the best of the luck.
In other news, we would like to congratulate our homecoming royalty, our middle schoolers, Mariel Mesta and Andres Gonzalez, and our high schoolers, Claudia Cardona and Roy de la Parra.
And now we want to talk some more about the Halloween celebrations.
The sign-up sheet will be available with Claudia starting Wednesday.
Remember that you can participate in Halloween by presenting a short 2-minute skit or dance routine. Or also you can participate by walking in our post parade. Everyone will be eligible to participate in the contest, so sign up as soon as possible so you can keep your idea.
That is all for this week episode of CAThubTV. See you next week. Okay, guys.